and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is another episode for Culinary Expedition. Tonight we are going to Costa Rica, where I will be preparing Picadillo de Vainica, also known as green bean hash or green bean stew. This is a traditional Costa Rican meal. So let's get to it and let's get to the mise en place. Okay, we're going to be starting off with some beef mince. Then we'll move to onion and garlic and red bell pepper. The next stage will go to carrots, potato, corn, then we'll add cumin, coriander, some chili powder and some Mexican paprika. And then we'll top that off with some tomato paste, some beef stock, and in the last stage, the green beans and just a little bit of chopped tomato. Okay, I've already heated up some oil in the brazier. I'm going to add the mince. I'm going to start breaking this up. I'm going to add the onion and the garlic and the bell pepper. Okay, I think we're just about here. I'm going to go ahead and add the carrots, the potatoes, the corn, about a tablespoon of tomato paste. This is our bowl chili powder, Mexican paprika, cumin, and coriander. Give this a good stirring. Love them spices. Now we'll add the beef stock. I'm going to raise the heat just a little bit. Yeah, it's coming together. Okay, while I got this going kind of on a soft boil, I'm going to add some salt. Just a little bit of salt and some pepper. Get that stirred in. Now I'm going to add the feature ingredient, green beans. And some chopped tomato. Let's get this stirred in. Okay, we're going to bring this back up to a boil, which is basically it's there. Then we're going to take it right down to a simmer, and it's going to simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. It's just been over 22 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look. And the big reveal. Oh, it looks so yummy. Oh, I wish there was smell-o-vision. All right, on to the next step. Okay, here's the green bean stew, which I'm serving with white rice, which is one of the variants that you can use. You could also serve it with tortillas. As you know, I'm a big fan of white rice, so I'm going to do a real quick garnish. You got some cilantro. And a couple tomato chunks. And here's the Picadillo de Vainica from Costa Rica. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international herb and spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.